Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today we have a lot of football games going on, and as usual, I've predicted 11 odds for you. So let's get started. The first game we have here is a game in the Switzerland League where Luzensport is taking on Grasshopper, and my prediction here is away team not to score two goals in a row. I believe you guys know these options in Sportybet and also M Sport. So it means that the home team will not score two goals in a row. That means they will not score two goals without the other team, which is the home team, not scoring between the interval. So let's move on. And then we have the next game still in that same league, Switzerland, a game between FC Lucerne taking on State Lucerne. And my prediction here is awaiting not to score two goals in a row. Okay, as we move on, please like this video, share it with your friends. It's very important you share this video so that your friends will also benefit from this video. And also, scammers are everywhere in the comment section, inboxing people. So if they come to your DM and ask you for money, kindly block them. Some of them use my profile picture and name to perpetrate their crime. So ignore them, block them, report them to Facebook. Moving on, we have the next game still in that same Switzerland between Basel taking on Verdun Sport, awaiting not to score two goals in a row. Then the next one we have here is in France Alec Serie C, where Catanzaro is taking on ES Cremonense. And my prediction here is home team not to score two goals in a row. Then we move on to Saudi Arabia, where Al Aroba is taking on Jabalan. And my prediction here is away team not to score two goals in a row. Moving on, still in that same Saudi Arabia, we have a game between Al Adaj taking on Al Hood Medina. And my prediction here is away team not to score two goals in a row. Then moving on, we have a game in Bulgaria where FC Prime is taking on FK Haba. My prediction here is away team not to score two goals in a row. Moving on to Israel, we have a game between Opel Haifa taking on Maccabi Tel Aviv, awaiting not to score three goals in a row. Then we move on to Sweden, where Gothenburg is taking on Njalbi, and my prediction here is awaiting not to score two goals in a row. In Bulgaria again, we have a game between PFK Bureau taking on Lokomotiv, and my prediction is awaiting not to score two goals in a row. Please, if you want to join our VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section where we give you sure 5 also 20 odds every day. So winning is guaranteed. So chat me up if you are interested. Note that it's a paid service, it's not free, it's not pay after. Thank you so much. I share free games here every morning by 8 a.m. or before 8 a.m. both on Facebook and YouTube. Okay. Moving on, we have a game in France where Rodez Averon is taking on Paris FC. I wait him not to score two goals in a row. The last game we have here is in Netherlands where Neck Breda is taking on MM. I wait him not to score three goals in a row. Sorry, any team not to score three goals in a row. I have to change this to away team. Sorry, away team not to score two goals in a row. Uh, I believe that would do. Okay, that would do. That is a total of 10.93 odds. So this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you are not using Sportybet, kindly look for a way to play this game. I believe this game will also play over 1.5 goals throughout because they are high scoring league. So you can also play over 1.5 goals in another ticket. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. Remember to bet responsibly.